Stones. Here's Ali. Henderson. Lingard. They're grateful for that, to have an intervention like that and get back on the ball when they're defending so much. Advantage for France, as the referee says, on you go. It goes out wide again. That attack was looking good. Now the opposition have a chance. Good strong tackle. Mbappe. Dembele. Griezmann. Kyle Walker. They've lost the ball and the counter-attack could be there. Kane slips it through. He's in. Sterling! An excellent chance. More than matched by the goalkeeper, who's diffused the situation.
Oh, great agility, great reflexes there, and denying the opposition any knockdowns as well.
Corner's taken. Ali! Jordan Henderson. Come away with the ball cleanly. Great tackle. Now Lingard. Kyle Walker. It's Lingard. Shots on here.
Well, that's easy. And snapped up by Hugo Lloris.
Well, stuck out a foot and cut off the pass. Maguire. Could be dangerous. Tackle here. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. Stop the game for the free kick. Well, he took no chances there. It's a corner. Put the corner in the middle. Cleared away by the defender. Walker. Lingard. Well, he's got the ball there in the defensive zone by reading the play very well. Dembele. Griezmann. Trying to switch on the attacking power in this situation. It's a good cross. Lamar. Very good distance to the clearance. Mbappe. Here's Conte. Conte. Griezmann. That will help ease the pressure. Sterling. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. France working the ball cleverly into a really promising position. Tackle goes in. Pogba. Griezmann. Neatly intercepted. Pogba. That's a fine tackle. Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. Bit of space to go forward into with the ball. And shoots! Pogba! Good stop by the goalkeeper.
The fourth official has indicated there will be a minimum of 2 minutes.
Umtiti. And here they are on the attack. And there is the half-time whistle. 0-0 at the break. Well, the stats are very even after this first
And it is the kick-off here for the second half. Return pass. They've got the ball back, the interceptor got it for them.
Guiding it through the defenders. Varane! Well, he's in the clear, and the goalkeeper has saved it and saved his side.
Well, his defenders should be thanking him because they left him exposed, didn't they? But he answered the call.
France have regained the possession of the ball. Now this looks promising. Dembele. Shot on!
And the goalkeeper very much on his game today.
Well, here's a chance to get their noses in front from the corner. Griezmann's corner. Good defensive clearance there. Mbappe. Trying to pick out someone in the centre. Into the lead they go. It's a fine, well-worked goal. A team that's looking well-oiled and looking very well-drilled. They've been the better side. They've played with great panache up to this point. And that goal really sums up the way they have been playing. Excellent. It's his game, isn't it? A one-touch finish. And a great example of it.
Yeah, and takes a lot of skill, bit of timing to keep that shot on target, and he did it beautifully.
That's good for France. They've got this lead.
Number 6, Paul Pogba.
Well, that pass never looked like reaching its target, and the free kick given by the referee for England.
Only partially away from danger.
Pogba.
Griezmann. Kieran Trippier on the move and able to cut out the pass. Griezmann. He's on the move all the time and makes lots of these interceptions. Griezmann. And now the shot! He's put it over.
Yeah, nothing wrong with the contact, the power, but accuracy just off.
John Stones. Dele Alli. Mbappe. Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch. Ashley Young. Well, this could be dangerous in a wide position. Now Lingard. Jordan Henderson. A timely challenge. Shots on! Shot blocked here. Dembele. Lamar. Pogba. Now it's Ousmane Dembele. Now Kane. Ashley Young trying to give some width to the play here. France get the throw. Rafael Varane. Sterling. Dele Alli. It's good work between these two. Pogba. Free kick against England. Pogba. Samuel Umtiti. Now Kane. Now Lingard. Sterling. And they've cut it out. Pogba. Advantage for France, as the referee says, on you go. Into the attacking third. Griezmann. Cleared away by the defender. Shots on here. One in front. They would be a lot more comfortable if they were two in front, and they really could have been.
Yeah, might they look back on that with a bit of regret, because that was a great chance to extend the lead, wasn't it?
Mbappe.
moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. Pogba! Whoa, that's flown over the bar.
Oh, the crowd were up on their feet there. It was a spectacular effort.
Well, there's going to be an alteration now, and with the team trailing, you can understand why he's going to make it.
Able to cut that out with some sharp movement.
Kieran Trippier. Excellent interception. What a great time to go in front in a cup game with seconds ticking away and the opposition absolutely shattered by that goal.
And it's the mark of a team with a winning mentality, if you like. And what a time to score.
Kane. Conte. Ball goes out of play here quite clearly. An attempted pass, but not a good one. Maguire.
There's still time for a late twist here. 5 minutes to go now, and the margin just one.
It's Eric Dyer. What a good interception. They've worked so hard, the team, to be in front here, and that's been recognised by the supporters.
Yeah, I think they recognise that it has been a really good performance, but still a bit of work to do.
Here's Ali. Right from the beginning, we've never known which way this game is going to go, and it's kept its drama right to the last.
They've got numbers in this attack, and it looks dangerous.
Pogba.
Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there.
Fourth official has indicated.
And the decision for the added time is 3 minutes.
It's a good-looking attack, this one. It might be a final attack as they look for Henderson! How did he reach that? Brilliant goalkeeping.
And that's going to be a corner, and a chance for this team maybe to level up the match in the closing minutes.
Put the corner in the middle. Splendid timing with the goal. It's the equaliser, very late on here.
Absolutely amazing. Everybody's shocked inside this stadium.
He's beaten the goalkeeper, but only just. It went in off the keeper.
Well, I think it was just a power on the ball, Martin. It was too much for him.
Number 8, Jordan Henderson. Coming onto the pitch.
It is level. Both sides have scored here now.
Goal for the visitors. Number 4, Eric Dyer.
Dembele. We go on into extra time.
Always fine lines between us, they say nowadays don't mean much, cause an anchor in the sand. What we did, but my ship says sail, and I'm here to tell that I don't mean like the others, and I keep searching, and I can't seem to find one.
Oh, we're all level after 90 minutes. On we go into extra time. Forward momentum is with France here.
Challenges for the ball. N'Golo Conte.
Here's Sterling. And he could get away here.
Can he do it? Gonna try his luck.
That's a good save. He got a touch to that. Behind for the corner for England.
Swung in from the corner. Headed it well. Just wide.
Well, not far wide at all. Next time maybe he'll bury that.
Here's Dyer.
Now here's a chance to get at the opposition.
Pogba with a free kick against him there.
Well, they know their football here, Alan, don't they? And they're not happy. They suspect a bit of gamesmanship.
Yeah, and I think they're right to suspect that, because the away team here really are.
And here's the shot. He blocked that well. He's gone behind for a goal kick. Dembele. Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch. And they've cut it out. Lamar.
Kieran Trippier.
Guiding the pass through. No flag against Sterling. I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it.
Referee, not a nice challenge. What will the ref do?
Rose. It's a shot now! Well, that's great work by the goalkeeper.
Only 2 more minutes to be added on by the referee now.
Now Griezmann has lost his marker by coming wider. Excellent work with the tackle. Been a really good match this. Just 15 minutes left as we start the second period of extra time. John Stones. Here's Dyer. Dele Alli. Maguire. Vardy. He's got some room out here in the wide position. Griezmann! Offside called, and we can see again now. Well, that's a good call.
Yeah, I think it was. And in the end, not a difficult one, because there was a couple of yards in it, I think.
Dele Alli. He's on the move all the time and makes lots of these interceptions. Lamar. Griezmann. It's Eric Dyer. Well, maybe the counter-attack is on here. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. In comes the challenge. Kyle Walker. Walker. Got to pass the ball a bit better than this if they're going to make progress. Giving it straight away. It's a quick break.
Now they can launch a counter-attack.
Neatly intercepted. And they get it away. They could pose some danger now. That's a brilliant challenge. Taking on the defenders. The break is definitely on. Griezmann. It's good play until they got that challenge in. And the verdict on added time is 2 minutes.
A minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
On the move and able to cut out the pass. Oh, he's cut that out well read. Played forward, a bit of menace in this attack. They've been striving to get this sort of attack. Start now of the shootout. And the penalty is off target.
Well, nobody likes to see a player miss under those circumstances.
He got a hand to it, but it's a goal.
Well, the penalty taker's got away with that one. He's lucky.
Well, he scored. No problem. No, he's hit the bar.
Oh, his body shape was all wrong, leaning back on it.
Excellent penalty. Not worrying at all about the pressures of the shootout. Well, he's up to the task with his penalty. I don't think he really fancied it.
The look on his face beforehand didn't fill me with confidence.
Well, he scored in the shootout. Well, here he comes to try and keep his side in the shootout. Absolutely no margin for error for him. Well, they've got a good penalty taker in this fella. Well, he knows now. One successful shot, and they've won it. Oh, he's wasted it.
Oh, you feel for him, but it wasn't a good effort at all.
And that's a good penalty in the circumstances. That's a fine penalty from him in these circumstances. And it's into the middle of the goal, and he's converted his penalty. And he scores his penalty. If he scores, the game is won. The pressure was on, but he was up to the task, and they won the shooter. He's in.
Galaxy, galaxy, won't you be my consolation? I need someone to kiss my hands and my feet and make me feel complete. Oh yeah, mysterious universe. Oh, I know you're unrehearsed, but I see the light in your same. You're ashamed to say you feel relief. Stay away from your own family. But years from now, if you could make them proud, you can leave the world and feel like you've achieved the things you hope to do. But honestly, I don't feel ordinary, 'cause I haven't been at home in a while. Tell them that it's only temporary. I'm trying my best to smile, but that's never enough. 'Cause when you lose the ones you love, you might find it hard to cry until it's only you, and everybody else has left the room. You might feel what it's like to not know how to feel. You see, my old lady's old man just now left, and there's nothing I can say except this long-awaited rest is a good thing, and all good things must come to an end. It's right in front of me, so there's no reason to pretend, except I'm afraid to die. If this were a movie, you'd be taking our kids to school, and I will be Channing Tatum or somebody cool. But years from now, if you could make them proud, you could leave the world and feel like you've achieved the things you hope to do. 'Cause honestly, I don't feel ordinary, 'cause I haven't left my house in a while. Tell them that it's only temporary. I'm trying my best to smile, but that's never enough. 'Cause when you lose the one you love, you might find it hard to cry until it's only you, and everybody else has left the room. You might feel what it's like to not know how to feel. Don't tell me you're sorry, you're just sorry for yourself. And though you may seem fine alone, well, I could be the one to help. No, don't tell me you're sorry, you're just sorry for yourself. And though you may seem fine alone, I wanna be the one to help. No, don't tell me you're sorry, you're just sorry for yourself. And though you may seem fine alone, I wanna be the one to help. No, don't tell me you're sorry, you're just sorry for yourself. And though you may seem fine alone, I wanna be the one to help. And don't tell me you're sorry, you're just sorry for yourself. And though you may seem fine alone, well, I can be the
Well, this is a match-up between two international teams today. The disadvantage, Alan, is that they don't play together very often. The positive, of course, is they are the country's very best players.
They are indeed, and we have got some quality players to enjoy out there today, but as you say, not all of them have played together too often, so there might be a slight lack of understanding at times.
And this is the starting 11 for France. Hugo Lloris starts in goal. Raphael Varane starts with Samuel Umtiti as the centre-backs. And up front, Antoine Griezmann, the main striker today. Referee's right on the spot, but he's going to stand for no nonsense with this team. Well, the card he's produced is a red one, and he's not shirked his responsibilities early in this game. This match underway. Lamar. The line-up here for France. Hugo Lloris starts in goal. Samuel Umtiti plays with Raphael Varane in central defence. And up front, Antoine Griezmann, the main striker today. Mbappe. This is the selection from the England manager. Ashley Young starts with Kieran Trippier. Great ball from Kane. Sterling sprinting clear. It was a real opportunity, but there might be a key moment in there from a defensive point of view.
Yeah, well, they really did converge on him quickly. He didn't miss by much, but he's missed it.
They could pose some danger now. This could be it. Brilliant pass, can he finish it? Here's a chance, goalkeeper exposed. Now we have a corner to come via that deflection. That's frustrating to the coaches to see a corner there defended at the front post so easily. Got the ball and they're going at the opposition with speed. It's on the move all the time and makes lots of these interceptions. Pogba. Trying to stretch the opposition using the wider areas here. Mbappe. Got his shot off now. A real miscue here. Well read by the defender. Trying to catch the other team out with a quick break here.
They gave it straight to him, didn't they?
Henderson. Kane! Super reflexes from the goalkeeper. Corner for England. Lingard. Kyle Walker. Sterling. The shot's off. Well, they've broken through here with a really good goal. And the celebrations reflect that. The supporters are going crazy. It's a terrific moment for the team. One more look at what happened earlier. Could the defender have done anything different, Alan?
Timmy's half turned away, and that didn't help. If he'd have closed it down a bit more bravely, it might have been better.
able to cut that out with some sharp movement. Getting forward well as a team now. Tackle here. Henderson. Sterling. I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it. Well, they're in a good position here. Sterling. Kane! Goal! They lead by 2 now. Took the chance nicely, and that really has given them much more of a basis for the rest of this match. They've come out here to put on a show, and we're enjoying it. Everybody except the opposition is enjoying this.
It's not often when you are allowed to create this many chances, so why not? They'll keep on pushing, I'm sure.
Mbappe. Lamar. France working the ball cleverly into a really promising position. Here's Conte. Pogba. And shoots! Got in the way. Jordan Henderson. Kane. Probing with the pass. Sterling sprinting clear. Here's Hernandez. Free kick conceded by Raheem Sterling. That's going to be a yellow card for this player.
They can't have any complaints.
Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. Well, nowhere near. He was a long way out.
Yeah, I think that's a waste to try his luck from there.
Conte. Griezmann. England in possession. They've got the ball. Really getting at the opposition this far up the pitch now. And that's dealt with the problem. Hey, what we get to see, of course the assistants don't, whether that'll change down. In the years, I'm not sure, but anyway, the replay here shows he's got it right.
He has. I mean, there was no real goal-scoring chance, but the defence would be pleased that their organisation caught him off.
Jordan Henderson. Pogba. Played forward, a bit of menace in this attack. Dele Alli threads it through. Kane! And he's put it away beautifully.
I think the manager loves that kind of goal because it was a real team effort, the way they moved the ball about.